Okay, what do? Your weapons lab. And it's not full. 4,000, 4,400. It's not full. You want to build another one of the missile defense. Well, one thing we'll do is we don't need them yet, but we're going to use aces, 25 aces with reflex air-on, heavy payload, quick release training. So let's go find a base that'll help us. How about a Bastion Resource II, Red Locust 50? Pretty easy to do. I've got escorts. So I bring in some escorts from up here, and I'm going to kill one thing right there. Get out. The quicker you get out, the less damage you get. So we killed the hunter. Now we've killed the flak. So we're going to, again, bring in escorts from the south. Send the escorts in. Stop. And this is how hard it is. We're done. We're now going to bring in the aces. And the aces will clear the base. So let's see what we got for aces. Bring them in. Aces are flying in. Aces are just going to blow it up. That's all there is. That's it. You're done. See what we got. 900 chemicals, 900 silicon, 100 core. We'll go repair these guys and we'll do it again. And we'll fill that bad turkey right up. And you see how much damage we get, which is next to nothing. I know that took a long time. I hope that you can put up with that. Aces, 34 seconds. 2 minutes and 33 seconds on those ones. 5 minutes, but you know what? We're not going to take 5 minutes. We're going to do instant repair. Start repair, speed up. Okay, you're done. Let's see how far we got to go now. Oh, they got filled. Okay, we got to get 125. Let's see if we can get it on the next one. The next one is free. Just find another Bastion Resource II. There we go. Here's one. Okay, we're just going to bring in escorts. I'm going to bring in 4 escorts at a time. When I have my escort tune, I have 4 escorts each squadron. I have 8 that have flak jacket, refined thruster, dumbfire, and directional plating, refined thrusters, and dumbfire. All right, so let's go in. We're going to do the same thing all over again, and we're going to be full. So we're going to bring in escorts up here. Kill the hunter. Escorts. Kill the hunter. See if we got it. We might not have got it. Might have stopped too soon. That's all right. We did. We'll just bring him back in again and finish the job. Oh, he's gone. All right. Now bring in escorts down here. Same thing. Just bring them in. Kill the flak. That's it. They're done. Now here's the really hard part. Where are aces coming in from? Okay, they're going to come in from the top. Bring in our aces. I have 25. Come on. There we go. Bring in the aces. Just work our way around. That's it. And we got the core. Oh, didn't get. You're such a pain in the butt, Kix. I need 25 more core. I got to do another base for 25 core. Kix is such a. I'm not going to say it. Pain in the butt. Anyways, you get the idea. It's literally just that easy. Take us in. Show us what we got. We need 25. Look at that. We need 20. You are such a producer. Okay, 50 seconds of repair on our aces. 50 seconds. 5 minutes and 35. Oh, wait. You got to stop it. No, you knucklehead. Take one out. Instant repair. Instant repair. I think that other one got damaged, but this is typical Kix Eye. It acts as if it didn't get damaged, but I think it got damaged. So when that happens, you just go out of your base, come back in, and it'll tell you what the real damage was. I think those escorts got a little bit of damage. Yeah, they did. I thought so. All right. 1:40. Speed up. You're done. So it's just that easy. And you'll see the frustrating part. I got to find one more. Yeah, you got time. You can watch it for a third time. Find me, what am I looking for? Resource 2, right there. That'll work. Send my escorts out. And we'll do the same thing all over again. You don't have to watch it 3 times, but this is what Kix Eye does. You need 25, but I got to do the base all over again to get 25. But you see how hard it is. All right, let's do it again. Escorts from the north. Kill the hunter. Escorts from the south. Attack. Escorts from the south. Let's kill the flak. Now let's bring a few aces in. 25. Fully loaded. Ready to do some damage. Where are you coming in from? All right, turn the top. So we'll come in over here. Let's bring our aces in. There they are. Bingo. Come on. Just work your way around. Kill all the turrets. That's it. You're done. 25. That's it. Okay. As you can see, it was just that simple. We got about the same amount of damage. That was it.